I want to very quickly bring in Sana Rais Khan. She's an advocate of the Supreme Court. You've been listening in very patiently, Sana. Thank you very much. I want to ask you very simply, Sana, the legality of this. The reason why movements like Me Too often fail to see convictions or justice being meted out at the end of the day. Several panelists talked about, these movements being examples, there being conviction, punishment, etc., is because these cases get thrown out of court because of lack of evidence. I mean, look at Vinta's case, for instance. She came out 5 years ago, but it was 19 years since she'd alleged rape. How do you prove something like this in a court of law when it's a he said versus she said?
Yes. See, of course, for these women to come out and speak against it is, of course, worthy of appreciation. But at the same time, primarily, I will emphasize on the fact that reporting is also equally essential. Prompt reporting is also equally essential because delay is a huge factor that always ends up in acquittal or bail in the court of law. Evidence, with passage of time. Actually, there is a statute of limitation in most in legal systems. They have statute of limitations, which are the laws that set the maximum time limit within which the legal proceedings may be initiated. But of course, for these cases which are heinous cases like cases of sexual assault, rape cases, they have longer statutes of limitation. But still, then there are jurisdictions where there might be no limitation at all. But obviously, because if the cases are decades old, then evidence may have deteriorated, or of course, potential witnesses may have died, or witnesses' memories may fade. So these factors, of course, play a huge role in acquittal. And
well, I think that's an important point to people who are watching the broadcast, that, while it's very difficult to come out and report, at the same time, if you really want justice to be served and you want to see conviction, then it has to be done within the sort of ambit of the law. I mean, there are several questions that can be raised about that, but yes, Sana, finish your point.
Because the onus is always on the prosecution to prove a case beyond a reasonable doubt.